Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Bitcoin safely and protect yourself from scams and security risks, follow these step-by-step instructions for a secure purchase experience. Step 1. Choose a reputable and regulated cryptocurrency exchange, such as Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini, or Binance, that has a proven track record, strong security measures, insurance on customer deposits, and positive reviews from users. Step 2. Verify you're on the legitimate website by carefully checking the URL and ensuring it has HTTPS encryption. Bookmark the official site to avoid phishing scams that mimic exchange websites to steal your credentials. Step 3. Create a strong, unique password for your exchange account using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Never reuse passwords from other websites or services. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy rather than SMS, as text message-based verification can be intercepted through SIM swapping attacks. Step 5. Use only secure internet connections when accessing your exchange account, avoiding public Wi-Fi networks that could be compromised. Consider using a VPN for an additional layer of security. Step 6. Start with small purchase amounts initially to familiarize yourself with the process and ensure everything works correctly before committing larger sums of money. Step 7. Verify all transaction details carefully before confirming purchases, including the amount, price, and any fees charged. Double-check recipient addresses if transferring Bitcoin to ensure you're sending to the correct wallet. Step 8. Transfer significant amounts of Bitcoin to a personal wallet, preferably a hardware wallet, rather than leaving large holdings on the exchange where they're vulnerable to hacking or exchange failures. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.